In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the address of your Google business profile to a new location. If you've recently moved or are planning to relocate and you want your customers to find accurate information about your business, this walkthrough is for you. First, navigate to business.google.com. You'll want to ensure you're in the right place, so opening your preferred web browser and typing this URL will get you started. Once you're there, head to the upper right corner of your screen and select Sign In. Use the Gmail account associated with your business to log in. If this is your first time signing in, you'll need to connect your account, so make sure you have those login details handy. However, if you've been here before, you'll be directed straight to your Google Profile Manager. Now that you're at the Profile Manager, take a moment to locate the business you need to update. Once you've found it, click on See Your Profile to bring up your business details. There's also an alternative method to reach your dashboard. You can open Google, type in your business name, or simply enter My Business. After you hit enter, you should see your business name appear in the search results. Click on View Profile to quickly access your dashboard. With your dashboard open, the next step is to edit your profile. Look for the option that says Edit Profile and click it. This will take you to various settings where you can manage how your business information is displayed. For this task, go to the section that covers your business location. Look carefully for the pencil icon next to business location and click it. This is where you'll be able to make edits to your address. Now, a crucial tip, ensure that the toggle switch for Show Business Address to Customers is turned on. This ensures that your address is visible to potential clients who search for your business. Then proceed to fill in your new address details thoroughly and carefully. Double check that everything is correct. Accuracy here is key, as it helps your customers find you more easily. Once you've updated your address, the last step is to hit Save. This action will store your changes and reflect your new location so that anyone searching for your business will have the most current information available. It's a straightforward process, but taking a few extra moments to ensure everything is correct will undoubtedly pay off. Now your Google business profile is all set with your new address, ready to guide customers right to your doorstep. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your business relocation.